You click a link and the page just says 404 not found. That number is an HTTP status code, the server's one-line answer to everything your browser asks for. And once you can read them, broken websites start explaining themselves. Every time your browser asks for anything, a page, an image, a login, the server replies with a 3-digit code. Here's the trick. Only the first digit really matters. It sorts every reply into one of 5 families. A 2 means success. 200 is the plain here you go behind every page that simply loads. 201 means created. Your sign up actually made something. If you see a 2, everything worked. A 3 means what you asked for isn't here. Go look over there. The server sends back a new address and your browser follows it automatically, so you usually never even notice. 301 means it moved for good. 302, just for now. A 4 means the problem is on your side of the wire. 404, the address points at nothing. 401, the server doesn't know who you are. 403, it knows you. And the answer is still no. The request was wrong, so the fix is on your side. A 5 means your request was fine, the server itself broke. 500. Something crashed inside. 502. A middleman got a garbage answer. 503. Overloaded, come back later. Nothing to fix on your end. So the first digit is really a blame arrow. 4. Check your side. The address, the login, the request itself. 5. It's them. All you can do is retry. That 1 digit is the first thing an engineer reads in any log. So 2, it worked. 3, look elsewhere. 4, your side. 5 at their side. And the rare family one just means got it, keep going. 5 families, 1 digit. That's every status code you'll ever meet.